Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill, and today we'll take a look at the official B model for LEGO Technic set 42147. The main model of this set is a dump truck, and you can watch a review of this set on my channel. Check the link below the video. And the B model is the excavator. We can see that almost all the pieces are used in this model, and actually only 11 pieces are left unused. Unfortunately, both two gears from this set are left unused too, and also we can see here new connectors, but most of pieces are in this model, and it's cool. As far as I remember, about 177 pieces in this set and only 11 pieces left. It's quite nice. The excavator has 4 functions. First of all, we can roll it, and it rolls pretty well. No steering mechanism here. The second function is a superstructure rotation. Superstructure is connected it's supposed to be like this. It's connected just on one pin with friction. It's pretty funny chassis. Just 2 big panels, 1 beam and 2 T-shaped connectors and 4 wheels. Simple, looks a bit weird, but really efficient for this scale. And we can rotate the superstructure. Here we have a boom, 1 lever to control the boom, and 1 more lever to control the bucket. If you have, for example, a lot of small pieces, you can try to dig them. But you have to modify the bucket because it has pretty big holes on side walls. We have solid rear, back side. This bottom side is also has no gap, no hole, but side walls have big holes, and it's a good idea to replace this pieces by something without this hole. And if you slightly modify the bucket, I think it will be a pretty playable set. But even without any modifications, this is pretty pleasant model. It was fun to build it and to check all the functions, and it's great that in small LEGO sets we still have official B models. So the model is very small and simple. I don't know what to say more about this excavator. I hope you like this video and this model. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!